Welcome to the top best. The best folding chair white is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of furniture you can own, offering a practical seating solution for a multitude of occasions, from impromptu gatherings and backyard barbecues to extra seating during holiday events, or even as a reliable option for outdoor concerts and sporting events. Its ability to fold away neatly makes it a space-saving marvel, perfect for those living in apartments or homes where storage is at a premium, ensuring you always have a comfortable seat ready when you need it without cluttering your living space. This particular white folding chair is designed to blend seamlessly with various decor styles, adding a touch of clean simplicity wherever it's placed, making it a go-to choice for both functional needs and aesthetic appeal. Number 5. Amazon Basics Foldable Plastic Chair, 6-pack. Introducing the Amazon Basics Foldable Plastic Chair, a convenient set of 6 white chairs perfect for any occasion. They provide extra seating when you need it most. Thanks to their foldable design and built-in carry handle, these chairs are incredibly easy to transport and store. Set them up or put them away in seconds. Each chair boasts a sturdy molded plastic seat and back, offering comfortable and reliable support. They are designed to hold up to 350 pounds. The durable powder-coated steel frame features cross braces and tube-in-tube reinforcement for lasting strength. Non-marking feet protect your floors from scratches. Ideal for both everyday use and special events, these chairs offer a practical and sturdy seating solution. They are designed for domestic and office use. What we like. This set of 6 chairs is perfect for when you need extra seating for gatherings. They are easy to transport thanks to the built-in carry handle. If you often host parties or need reliable seating for events, this is a great choice. What people say. These chairs are far from flimsy. They're built with heavy-duty plastic and a solid frame that feels extremely stable and secure. They fold up easily for quick storage and don't take up much space, yet they look clean and professional when set up. This one is durable and curved to your back and butt. Number 4. Flash Furniture Hercules 10-pack heavy-duty folding chairs. Introducing the Hercules set of 10 folding chairs. These chairs offer reliable, on-demand seating perfect for any commercial or home event. Enjoy superior comfort with textured, contoured seats featuring dry assist drain holes. They are designed for long-lasting use and durability, indoors or out. These lightweight chairs are easy to move and store. They can be nested horizontally for stacking or vertically in closets, making cleanup and storage a breeze. Built with a robust combination of double support braces and steel frames, they can support up to 650 pounds of static weight. This ensures quality use for years to come. No assembly is required for these chairs. Simply wipe them down with water and a dry cloth for effortless cleaning. What we like. This pack of 10 chairs offers robust seating for a variety of occasions, from corporate events to backyard barbecues. They are designed for both indoor and outdoor use and can support up to 650 pounds. If you need a large quantity of durable, versatile seating for frequent events, this set is ideal. What people say. This folding chair is surprisingly sturdy and comfortable for extended periods. The white color is clean and modern, fitting well with various decor styles. It folds flat easily for convenient storage, making it ideal for small spaces. Number 3. Flash Furniture Hercules Series Folding Chair, set of 4. Introducing a set of 4 folding chairs, perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a corporate event, a family gathering, or a wedding, these chairs offer dependable seating solutions. These chairs are designed for ultimate convenience. Their ultra-lightweight construction makes them easy to carry, and protective floor caps ensure your floors remain scratch-free. Crafted from UV-stabilized resin, these chairs are built to last. They are perfect for both indoor and outdoor events, offering years of quality use and a stylish look. Enjoy superior comfort with waterproof resin seats that are easy to clean. They provide excellent support, even during long events, and can be easily maintained or replaced. When folded, these chairs are incredibly slim, making storage a breeze. They require no assembly and stack neatly, supporting up to 800 pounds each. What we like. This set of 4 chairs boasts an impressive 800 pounds weight capacity and is constructed from UV-stabilized resin for durability. The washable vinyl seats add to their practicality. If you're looking for high-capacity, stylish seating for more formal events or frequent use where durability is key, these are an excellent option. What people say. The chair is lightweight and easy to carry. It folds flat for convenient storage. The white color is clean and modern. Number 2. VINGLI 10-pack white folding chair. Experience exceptional stability with reinforced construction. These chairs are built to last, boasting an impressive weight capacity of 350 pounds. Enjoy a perfect blend of fashion and function. The thoughtful design ensures both durability and comfort for everyday use. From conferences to parties, these chairs are ideal for any indoor or outdoor gathering. They are portable and require no assembly, making them incredibly convenient. Protect your floors with integrated rubber feet. These also help keep the chairs securely in place, preventing slips and minimizing scuff marks. Storage is a breeze thanks to the upright locking position. Folding, stacking, and storing them is simple and efficient. What we like. This pack of 10 chairs combines a sturdy steel frame with a practical design for both indoor and outdoor use. They are easy to fold, stack, and store. If you need a large quantity of reliable seating for events like parties, weddings, or office functions, these chairs offer great value and convenience. What people say. They are surprisingly lightweight, which makes transporting them incredibly easy. I can fit 10 chairs, along with a large folding table, right into my trunk with no problem. The setup is simple, too. They fold and unfold smoothly, so I never end up fumbling with them when I'm trying to get everything ready. Aesthetically, they're great. The white color is clean, modern, and looks good in just about any setting. I was initially worried the finish might scratch or show marks after a few uses, but it hasn't at all. Even after multiple events, the chairs still look brand new, no chips, no dents, nothing. Lightweight but durable. Easily stacks together for storage. Number 1. Winsome Robin Folding Set White Chair. Introducing the Robin Folding Chair, built with durable materials and expert craftsmanship. It offers a reliable weight capacity, ensuring long-lasting use for your everyday needs. Its sleek and timeless color finish complements any decor, whether in your kitchen, dining area, living room, or even outdoors. It seamlessly blends with your existing aesthetic. These chairs feature a lightweight and convenient folding design. They fold mostly flat, making them incredibly easy to store and transport wherever you need them. Enjoy versatile comfort with these chairs, perfect for dining, playing cards, or providing extra seating during gatherings. They are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. When not in use, these chairs can be neatly folded and stacked. This makes them an ideal space-saving solution for small areas or for convenient on-the-go seating. What we like. This set of 4 chairs is crafted for lasting use with a stylish finish that complements any decor. Their lightweight and foldable design makes them easy to store and transport. If you have limited space or need versatile seating for dining, games, or small gatherings, these chairs are a perfect fit. What people say. Amazing price, good construction quality, upscale appearing paint job, and neither too large nor too small, so they can serve as extra dining chairs on special occasions but don't take up much space when stored. These are lovely chairs and look very classy. They are sturdy and well made. They came exceptionally well packed in boxes we will be able to continue to use for years to store the chairs when not used. Great wooden chairs. Goes perfectly in my small apartment, and even better that they fold. The quality and color of the wood is superb, it's definitely real wood. Update, a year and a half later and the chairs still look great and held up, they are practically still looking brand new. Great quality and craftsmanship. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.